Here's a nice looking street rod just in. 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. Two-door sedan. See, it's got a cool chop to it, that old street rod look. Paint in this car, nice shape. As well as the grille and bright work you can see up front here. Also in nice shape. This is a nice driver, powered by a 350 Chevy small block underneath the hood. That's paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Goes down the road nicely. As you can see, it's riding on the Keystone Classics, ever popular wheel. This is an all steel car also. Does not have fiberglass fenders, boards, anything like that. Cloth interior, a couple buckets up front. Get around to the other side, I'll kind of show you how the controls work in it. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, check out the engine bay, check out the trunk, take a look down below this video in the description. You're going to see a link. You can click on that. That'll take you directly to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this car. Again, you can see the paint's not full of a bunch of nicks or scratches or dings. You might find a few imperfections here and there. Car has been driven, but overall, very nice shape. There's a nice shine to it. Now, if you've seen our videos before, you know we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist you with the transportation of this vehicle to where you're located at. When you see this too, this isn't any sort of difference in the paint or anything like that. That is the reflection of the curtain behind me. So when you see that paint is all the same throughout it. It's the same blue. It's just showing you that this does have a nice luster to it. Again, 1937 Chevrolet street rod. One thing I want to let you know too, this does have door poppers, and it's about underneath the board, right under here, kind of by where that rear door seam is. There is an electric popper back there, or a button you can push. Since I have the window down, I'm going to just reach in and do it with the handle. As you can see, cloth interior. A light blue, medium blue combination to match the exterior. Headliner, everything in good shape. Now, one thing I will show you how they have the controls set up on this one. See the wood grain dash and the older style gauges. Right here is the ignition on. Whoops, there we go. That is the ignition on. Button to the left of it will start it. See how easily the car starts. Does have a working radio in it. Take a look at the gauges. Appears all the gauges work. Tachometer. Everything working. And then these switches down here. Actually, one is for the wipers. Leave that one there. And there is also a power. That's the horn, obviously. There's a power button that will raise the vent out there. That's on this switch down here also. And a cool setup for a street rod. Nice looking dash, cool older gauges. Wipers do work too, if you've seen that. I'll slip out here so you can hear it run. Door closes nicely. Listen to that good throaty growl coming out of that 350 small block underneath the hood. Once again, check out the link down below this video. You can click on that. That'll take you right to our website, which is uniqueclassiccars.com. Our phone number, 507-386-1726. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and take a look at that engine bay. We'll get the hood opened up on each side here. Alright, there's the horn you heard earlier. That'll get them out of the way. Small block Chev, With an Edelbrock intake I noticed earlier, HEI ignition. Nice smooth running V8. Nice sounding car too. Down on this side. A nice aluminum bracket. Looks like they got the horn set up. Chrome underneath there. Looks good. There you have it, 1937 Chevrolet two-door sedan street rod. Remember, we do take trades. Financing is available. And we can assist you with the transportation, getting the street rod to where you're located at. Our number, 507-386-1726. And of course, down below this video, there is a link you can click on. It'll take you right to uniqueclassiccars.com, where you can check out all the still pictures of this car. Look forward to hearing from you.